So ito po yung total expenses namin upon traveling to Calayan for 1 week. This is for 5 packs. We have 2 adults and 3 kids. So from Tuguegarao going to Apari, that was around 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Nakarating kami sa Apari ng 6:30 in the evening. So ang pamasahe po via van is 250 per head. So tatlo lang po kami na nagbayad, free po yung dalawang kids. So a total of 750 for one way. And that's 1,500 for round trip. Upon arriving in Apari, we check in a hotel. It's St. Patrick Hotel. And we get the 1,000 overnight for the hotel and accommodations. And of course, nag-dinner kami sa McDonald's. Our expenses is 800 for the food. And then early in the morning, around 6 a.m., I think that's 5 a.m., pumunta naman kami sa Toran Pier. So from Toran Pier in Apari going to Calayan, 900 per head. So times 2 kasi dalawa kaming adult, that's 1,800. And for a kid, that's half fare, that's 450. Free po yung dalawang kids namin. Merong eco fee that is 270 per head, a total of 3,060 for one way from Apari to Calayan. And that is 6.5 hours po ang travel from Apari to Calayan. Sometimes 7 hours, depende sa bilis ng barko. So sinakyan po namin yung marine vessel Eagle. And so upon arriving in Calayan, nag-check-in kami sa resort. The name of the resort is AC Resort. That is 500 per head. So tatlo po kami, free po yung dalawang kid. That is a total of 10,500 for 7 days or 1 week. Of course, nagpaluto kami sa resort, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hindi ko po kasama yung mga snacks. So, ang ano namin sa ulam ay 250 and 300 at yung 2 platter ng rice po namin ay 180. A total of 730 per day times 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A total of 2,190 per day. So, excluded po yung snacks po namin. So, from the resort going to Canauan Falls and Lusuk Cave, that is 4,000 for the fare using boat. So, going to Canauan Falls to Lusuk Cave. And then from resort going to Sabing Cove, nagmotor kami via Kulong-Kulong, and that is 200 per head, a total of 600. So, nag-rent kami ng motor para mas malibot po namin yung ganda ng Calayan. Yung XRF po yung motor. Ang rental fee po niya ay 500 per day at kailangang full tank po ito pag ibalik mo. That is 200 yung full tank niya. And then, Calayan, going back to Calayan to Apari, via Lampitaw na kami. That is 900 per head times 2, that's 1,800. And for the kid, it's 750. So, mas mahal siya ng konti compared mo dun sa MV Eagle. Kasi doon, it's only 450 for the kid. And may bayad yung cargo namin, that's 200. A total of 2,750. So, all in all, yung total na nagastos namin ay mabit ng mahigit 30,000 pesos. More than 30,000 kasi hindi kasali dyan yung snacks, yung iba pang binili namin like souvenir, fish, and so on and so forth. So, ilang po. Thank you.